Hey everybody, it's me, Mistertitanic. Today is March 10th, 2009, and here is a blizzard, not really blizzard, in Minnesota right now. Got all the snow on the ground already. It's getting all over the camera, so I'm underneath the roof right now. Snow on the camera, try to rub that off. Gosh, look at all this snow. It's a little bit hard to see though, but where I am, yeah. So yeah, I'm just showing you all this snow. There's not really much to do else in this video right now. Look back there, you can't hardly see anything. Keep zooming in, you can't even see it down there. You can see my tracks there. Yeah, but there's nothing else really to do in this video. Hopefully the snow doesn't hurt my camera at all. My mom's car. Yeah, there's too much snow on my camera, so yeah, I'll see you later, guys.